Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button so that you can know every time I drop a new video. I come to you with very sad news, guys. Look at this. Now, I don't know if it was a heat wave that did this or if a creature got to it. I waited 3 years for this particular fruit. This is the Orahona. I waited 3 years. So guys, I checked this fruit yesterday and there was absolutely nothing wrong with this fruit. And now I come back from my day trip to San Diego and this is what I come home to. I'm very sad, I'm very disappointed, but it wasn't a total waste. I have the other half, and the other half is perfectly fine. So I'm gonna do something that I've never done before because I waited so long for this fruit. I'm gonna eat this fruit right here. I'm gonna eat this half. This half I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna take the bricks test, guys. Hold on 1 second. So the bricks is not coming in that high. I'm starting to get this. This is gonna be my second disappointment. The bricks is coming in right about 13. So let me try it. Look at this beautiful color on this. Look at that beautiful color. Okay. It's sweet, but not as sweet as not as sweet as the ones that I'm sending out. So this is what I'm sending out tomorrow, and this is what I have today. And this is it's just all right. It's way better than anything that you would get in the stores, but because it's me, I could give a better rating on it. Let's take a big bite. Yeah, beautiful fruit, but it's just not there for me. So I'm a little disappointed, but I'm not that disappointed. But look at that beautiful color. So high in antioxidants, very beautiful fruit, but I'm not that impressed with it. So anyway, guys, this was an impromptu video. Once again, the bricks was 13. Very beautiful fruit, but it lacks that complex flavor that I'm looking for. All right, you know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.